me how to closer to ya. Tell me how now to. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a sinking funds update for the month of October, and we shall see how much we saved. So this is the template I use, and this template is available in my Etsy shop. So I will leave the link in the description if you're interested. I'm just gonna tilt this a little bit because I'm right-handed, and I don't know if you guys do this too, but I like to write sideways. All right, so first I need to write down my categories. So let's start with debt snowball. Debt snowball. Okay, and then we have my Etsy shop. I don't write because this is only like rollover money from my cash envelopes. And then I have Julian. And then Mason. Milo. Student loan. School supplies. Birthdays. Getaway. Don't mind that noise in the background. I don't know what my neighbors are doing, but you can like hear it here. Emergency. Family savings. Dream home. Subscriptions. Christmas, I'm not adding on to here because I am doing a Christmas savings challenge in my box, so I don't have to add it to this. And then my savings challenge I am not doing for now. All right, so the next thing I like to do is go back to my sinking funds update for October, and then what I do is I look at the ending amount, which will be the beginning amount for November, and then I'll just copy this and paste it onto the next template. So we use this lasso tool up here, and then we just grab all the way down to birthdays because I don't want to grab Christmas. So then we click copy and then go on to here and press down, paste. So this is my beginning amount for Julie Mason, Milo, student loan, school supplies, and birthdays. And then we're gonna do it again and start with vacation till down here, all the way down to subscription, and then copy and paste. Okay, let's make sure this is right. Okay, that's correct. And now debt snowball, I had just started this, so we're just gonna put 0, and then we're just gonna start counting these envelopes to see how much I ended the month of October with. So debt snowball, this I pay a monthly. I pay my card monthly, so I don't know if I should even include it there, but I am, whatever. So I'm just gonna include it. And we are, so debt snowball has $100, and I do have to make a payment this week. So we're just gonna put 100, and that is plus 100 because I did start with 0 and I'm ending the month with 100, so this is why we're putting plus 100. Next is Julian, and we started with Julian with 187, and we are ending the month of October with 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 215, and 217. So we're gonna write 217, and this is plus 20. Mason, 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 200, 5, 10, 15, 17, 217. And that is also plus 20. Milo started with $5. Now he has 20, 25, 30. So that is plus 25. Next is student loan, and we started with 50, and now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, $75. So that is plus 25. School supplies, we started with 2, and we have 5. And that is plus 3. Okay. Birthdays, we started with 1, and we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And that is plus 25. Getaway, we started with 5, and now we're ending with 10, 15, 16, 17. Uh, 17, so that is plus 12. Okay. Emergency, we started with 5, and we have 20, 30, 35. So that is plus 30. Family savings, we started with 0. So now we have 20, 25, and 30. So this is plus 30. Dream home, we started with 0, and we have 30 as well. So that is plus 30. And then last but not least, subscriptions, we started with 30. And now we have 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So this is plus 4. And now we're going to add it up to see how much, what's the difference in total. So let's see. So the beginning amount, so it's 187 plus 187 plus 5 plus 50 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 30. So we started with 472. I'm just gonna write total down here. 472. And we're ending with, let's see, 100 plus 217 plus 217 plus 30 plus 75 plus 5 plus 26 plus 17 plus 35 plus 30 plus 30 plus 34. That is 816. And that is a difference of $344. That's how much we put into our sinking funds. So I'm just gonna write up here, November 2021. And that's about it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
You and I